Kung gusto mong magsimula sa graphic designer, ito yung isa sa mga dapat mo munang aralin. Every skill needs a foundation. If you're learning graphic design, yung foundation is the fundamentals or yung principles of design. Kailangan mo munang alamin yung mga basic elements, like yung fonts, colors, lines, or shapes. Next is paano mo pagsasama-samahin ng tama yung mga elements na yon. Kasi sa graphic design, hindi lang yan basta pagsasama-samahin mo to make a beautiful design. You intentionally place each element sa effective na paraan. Kaya nandyan naman yung principles of design. Yung hierarchy, balance, contrast, at marami pang iba. Once you understand those principles, hindi ka lang makakagawa ng magandang design, but also an effective designs. This foundation is the building blocks of graphic design. Pag wala yung foundation, baka gumuho yung idea mo of graphic design. Kaya kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, wag mo munang iisipin kung anong design tools yung dapat mong pag-aralan. Learn the fundamentals muna. Malaking step na yan para makapagsimula ka sa graphic design. If you have questions about designs or creativity, just leave a comment and sasagutin natin yan.